Hey everyone, welcome back to Lyra Tech. Today we're checking out a portable air conditioner that promises to keep your space cool. Check the link in the description for the best price. This Coolblus 12,000 BTU unit boasts a 3-in-1 design and is built for rooms up to 550 square feet. Let's dive into how well this unit actually cools your space and what other. The 12,000 BTU cooling power is suitable for rooms up to 550 square feet, meeting its core promise. Having 3 distinct modes including cooling, dehumidifying, and a fan makes this unit quite versatile for different needs. You can set the temperature precisely between 61 and 88 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you good control over your environment. This unit can remove up to 45 pints of moisture daily, which is excellent for combating stuffiness and improving air. This unit delivers good cooling power and multiple functions for its price point. Let's see how easy this portable AC is to set up, move around. With 4 360-degree wheels and 2 built-in handles, this AC is very easy to move between rooms or position wear. The combination of an LED display and a remote control that works up to 25 feet away makes adjusting settings. The mesh filter is easily removable and washable, which simplifies maintenance and helps ensure effective cooling over time. While the sleep mode is rated at a quiet 52 dB, other modes might produce more noticeable noise, which is. Convenient controls and portability make this unit simple to operate and relocate. Overall, the Coolblus 12,000 BTU portable air conditioner is a really capable unit for its class. It offers strong cooling performance, a good range of features like dehumidifying and fan modes, and convenient controls with the remote and timer.